A powerful machine slices meat into small pieces within seconds. An automated conveyor system places the dough balls precisely, preparing them for baking. Liquid metal is heated and drawn into fine threads, creating the foundation for high-performance materials. It may be hard to believe that water can cut through metal, but observe as high-pressure water jets easily slice through solid steel. This dual-arm machine automates potato shell slicing in modern food production, delivering fast, precise, and consistently efficient results. This automatic winding machine transforms ordinary copper wire into perfectly coiled loops with remarkable precision and speed. Heat, heat.
I've seen relics of kingdoms past and crowns of ancient kings. I've heard stories of distant lands, realms I long to reach. Your voice, it beckons me to go to worlds unexplored. to leave behind my home.
In snowy regions, when heavy snowfall blocks the roads, these trucks with special attachments work together to clear the way. Their precise and coordinated teamwork is truly impressive.
It beckons me to go to worlds unexplored, to leave behind my home.
This machine takes bent and twisted metal pipes and straightens them to their original shape, making them appear nearly brand new.
When I see you dancing, I know you're a 10. It's some kind of magic. We both know it right away. I came here to party, don't want it to end. Getting real ecstatic. We both know it right away. When I see you dancing, I know you're a 10. It's some kind of magic. We both know it right away. I came here to party, don't want it to end. Getting real ecstatic.
The subsoiler helps with deep plowing by breaking up compacted soil layers, which improves drainage and increases overall farming efficiency.
You to tell me now how much you're into me. Oh, right away. I feel this vibe goes from my heart right to my fingertips. My fingertips. Oh, I need you to tell me now how much you're into me. Oh, right away.
This machine uses a rotating mesh to sift through soil and efficiently gather earthworms from the ground.
We both know it right away. When I see you dancing, I know you're a 10. It's some kind of magic. We both know it right away. I came here to party, don't want it to end. Getting real ecstatic. I feel
Hydraulic and vacuum pressing technology enables industries to produce compact and secure packaging, simplifying transportation and minimizing shipping damage.
right away. This vibe goes from my heart right to my fingertips. My fingertips. Oh, I need you to tell me now how much you're into me. Oh, right away.
Observe as this machine effortlessly cuts through a solid piece of aluminum.
I didn't wanna see you when you came home.
An excavator with dual attachments efficiently removes and replaces concrete blocks beneath rail tracks with precision and speed.
When I talk to you about it, you're in defense mode. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. How can we work on ourselves when you say no? Whoa, oh, oh, oh. I'll never go on like this, so don't you think you
A massive cutting blade carves a new path with remarkable speed and efficiency, slicing through tough terrain with ease.
I can't break, out of control and I can't feel my soul and my heart on my damn face. Cause I ain't be nothing without her. A king with no queen and no damn kingdom. Serving up hate with a cold vengeance. Fuck, but I hate her, we can't slay them. Yeah, she's got me hooked, I'm down, I ride. Leaving, she tried to kill me, I can see it in her eyes. Yeah, she's got me shook, this my demise. I'm bleeding, can someone heal me? I can't deal with no more lies.
I'll never go on like this, so don't you think you got me up? Yeah, I can't seem to deal with this. You try so hard to pull me on me.
Automatic bollards rise from the pavement like sentinels, blocking off restricted zones in seconds.
I'll never go on like this, so don't you think you got me hooked? Yeah, I can't seem to deal with this. You try so hard to pull me in.
A robotic machine cleans solar panels efficiently, helping them absorb more energy and work at their best. Excavator operators sometimes use their machines to play games when they're bored, turning them into giant toys just for fun. This advanced machine uses precision and power to restore old, damaged rims to their original shape. The robotic arm picks up a packet of sugar, opens it, and pours the sugar into the mixing jar. Grass silage packaging involves compressing chopped forage and sealing it with stretch film to trigger anaerobic fermentation, helping to preserve its nutritional quality for long-term storage. A powerful metal cutting machine with a large rotating blade quickly and precisely cuts through bundles of rods at the same time.